Hi, Adam Dietrich from Jinko Solar US here at our North American headquarters in Silicon Valley, California. Today I'm excited to share with you the features and benefits of our latest utility scale energy storage solution, the EAGLE DCB-5000. The EAGLE DCB-5000 provides 5 megawatt hours of capacity in a standard 20-foot container footprint. Engineered for large-scale industrial and utility applications, it features high energy density, advanced LFP battery technology, and a best-in-class fire safety protection system. The EAGLE DCB-5000 is built with a host of advanced safety features, including multi-level sensing, protection, and suppression elements from cell to the system level. It also includes an ultra-safe, redundant fire suppression system utilizing both water and dry agent to ensure safe operation under any condition. Its flexible design supports both back-to-back and side-by-side installations, reducing land use by up to 37%. The DCB-5000 advanced 3-level battery management system tracks cell and system performance characteristics to ensure optimal operation. Jinko further offers complete O&M service packages for 24/7 remote monitoring and fast response time. Built for performance, the EAGLE DCB-5000 provides reliable energy storage with reduced operational costs, making it a great choice for your energy needs. Backed by Jinko Solar, a trusted leader with over 10 years in renewable energy, the EAGLE DCB-5000 delivers a high-performance, reliable energy storage solution that pairs seamlessly with any of Jinko Solar's industry-leading EAGLE modules. Thanks for joining me today to learn all about Jinko's utility scale energy storage solution, the EAGLE DCB-5000. If you have any questions or want to reach out to us, please contact us via our website at jinkosolar.us.